But I'm beginning a work order for a broken key off in a lock. This happens to be on a door to a standby generator. And the plan here is to use this little metal stick to open the door. When I say little, I mean little. Now I'm going to use this tool, a pick, see if I can grab the broken off key in there, or right now the key itself, I do not see it moving. I'm going to try something a little bit stiffer. So I'm going to remove the key cylinder, get it on a bench, and maybe I can push the key back through the opening. We'll see. Get on a bench and work on it. Right now I'm on a step ladder. I'm balancing and fighting the door swinging. Alright. Didn't find them. See if I can just latch on with this. Alright, let's pull it. Is she coming or is she not? Aha! Alright, that's phase one of this.